They got some parts coming today. Looks like a whole bunch of parts. So I'm guessing, I'm hoping they fit. You think they'll fit?
Yeah, they should.
Alright. So, I'll get back with you. I'm going to tear this apart and try to put it together. I'll be back. Alright, here we go. Got the little one working. It fits. You gotta get in the right one. You're not in the right one. It's over here, Tom. See? He's learning, folks. He ain't done it before. You gotta do it the right way, though. Alright. Old parts. New parts. Oh, that look a lot better. Still gotta get a tail light. Got that side. This is new. This is new. That looks about a lot better. I already got that. Well, move. Why did you walk right in front of the... Got it. Now I'm trying to find the light. I am going to paint these bars. Got to paint this bar and the front bar. Get my seat covered. Be alright. Cool. Alright. I got to pack up, put all these tools away. It's 113 degrees outside.
And then I can drive.
Yeah, you've been driving the whole time we've been working on this. Driving me crazy. Woo! Alright. Later.